Hey everyone, and welcome. You're looking to unlock your full potential, build better habits, or simply gain a new perspective on life? Then you're in the right place. Self-improvement isn't just a trend. It's a journey, and along the way, some truly transformative books can act as your ultimate guide. Today, we're diving deep into the literary landscape to bring you the best self-improvement books of all time. These aren't just popular reads. They're timeless classics that have inspired millions and continue to offer profound wisdom. Let's get started. The classics that never fade. 1. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. First up, foundational text that sparked the entire self-help genre. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Published in 1937, this book isn't just about money, despite its title. It's a deep dive into the psychological principles of success. Derived from Hill's interviews with incredibly successful individuals like Andrew Carnegie and Henry Ford, Hill introduces concepts like the Mastermind Alliance, definite purpose, and applied faith. It's a powerful read for anyone looking to understand the mindset behind achieving any goal, big or small. 2. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Next, a true cornerstone of personal development. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. This book provides a holistic, principle-centered approach to solving personal and professional problems. Covey outlines habits like being proactive, beginning with the end in mind, and putting first things first. It's about moving from dependence to independence, and then to interdependence, focusing on timeless principles rather than quick fixes. If you want a comprehensive framework for living a more effective and fulfilling life, this is your go-to. 3. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Third on our list is another enduring classic. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. First published in 1936, its wisdom remains incredibly relevant. Carnegie offers practical advice on fundamental techniques in handling people, ways to make people like you, how to win people to your way of thinking, and how to be a leader. It's not about manipulation, but about genuine human connection, understanding, and empathy. Essential reading for anyone looking to improve their social skills and relationships. 4. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. Moving to a more profound and philosophical realm, we have Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. Frankl, a psychiatrist and Holocaust survivor, argues that even in the most horrific circumstances, we have the freedom to choose our attitude and find meaning. He introduces logotherapy, which posits that the primary motivational force of an individual is to find a meaning in life. This isn't just a self-help book. It's a powerful testament to the human spirit's resilience and the importance of purpose. Modern Game Changers. 5. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Shifting to a more contemporary gem, we have Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book has revolutionized how millions think about habit formation. Clear provides an incredibly practical, science-backed framework for building good habits and breaking bad ones. He introduces the 4 laws of behavior change. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. It's not about massive transformations, but about tiny, consistent improvements that compound over time for remarkable results. 6. Mindset. The New Psychology of Success by Carol S. Dweck. Another modern essential is mindset. The New Psychology of Success by Carol S. Dweck. This groundbreaking book explores the power of our beliefs about our own abilities and intelligence. Dweck introduces the concepts of fixed mindset versus growth mindset. Understanding and shifting towards a growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work, can profoundly impact your resilience, learning, and achievement across all areas of life. 7. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Deepening our understanding of habits, we have The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. Duhigg, a Pulitzer Prize-winning reporter, explores the science behind why habits exist and how they can be changed. Through compelling stories from individuals, companies, and social movements, he reveals the habit loop, cue, routine, reward, and demonstrates how understanding this loop is key to transforming your life. Whether it's quitting smoking or building a successful business. Daring greatly by Brown for emotional intelligence and vulnerability. Daring Greatly by Brown is an absolute must-read. Brown, a research professor, explores the concepts of vulnerability, courage, worthiness, and shame. She challenges the notion that vulnerability is a weakness, instead arguing that it's our greatest measure of courage and connection. This book offers profound insights into living a wholehearted life, embracing imperfection, and truly connecting with others. Timeless Wisdom for Modern Life 9. The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. While not strictly a self-help book, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho delivers profound self-improvement lessons in a captivating narrative. This allegorical novel tells the story of Santiago, an Andalusian shepherd boy who journeys in search of a hidden treasure. His quest teaches him about listening to his heart, recognizing opportunities, and following his dreams. It's a beautiful, inspiring read about finding your personal legend and the universe conspiring to help you achieve it. 10. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius, finally, for ancient wisdom that still resonates today. We turn to Meditations by Marcus Aurelius. This isn't a book intended for publication, but rather a collection of personal reflections and exercises by the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius on Stoic philosophy. It offers timeless insights into living a virtuous life, accepting what you cannot control, practicing self-discipline, and finding tranquility amidst chaos. It's a profound guide for cultivating inner peace and wisdom in any era. Conclusion. There you have it, our list of the best self-improvement books of all time. Each of these works offers unique insights and actionable strategies to help you grow, learn, and live a more fulfilling life. Remember, reading these books is just the first step. Applying their wisdom is where the real transformation happens. Which of these books have you read? What's a self-improvement book that has profoundly impacted your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content designed to help you thrive. Happy reading, and here's to your continuous growth.